Hey everybody, Tilly's here on a little bit something different. So I don't know if you remember the Sabre or the Sabre or Sabre. I think it was Sabre. So Sabre is my car, and it's my big wagon that I've been working on. So as you can see, it's a little in shambles right now. So this thing has been setting for a little over a year now. So I've been wanting to fix this thing up for a long time. What had happened last summer or last fall is the motor went bad. Started smoking and running terrible. So, well, I had to park it. And I parked it in here in the garage, and the whole intent was to have this thing ripped out in no time and new motor in. Well, a year later, well, we're getting there. So, as you can see, yes, sorry, I'm shaking really bad here, trying to hold everything. But as you can see, we got the new motor in. I wouldn't say new. It's a rebuilt 350 with the turbo 350. This is an 87 model Buick, the Sabre Estate wagon. Yeah, you heard that right. That's a mouthful, ain't it? So, plan is to get this thing going and get it on the road as soon as I can. Which, you know, we know how that works. So it could take a while. Oh, look. Motorcycles in the corner, all dirty. My garage is a wreck right now, getting everything done. So, but hey, I want to give you an update on the car, which, you know, as you can see, it's still not completely done, but the engine is in. The motor mounts are bolted in. They're not tight. And we got to work on a different transmission mount because the transmission mount doesn't line up with the new transmission. With the new transmission is a turbo 350. The old one was the Buick transmission. So I think it's a 4-speed. So like a 200 or 700 R4. So over the next, I don't know, few days, I got a buddy that's helping me. So we're hoping to have this thing running here in a couple days. So I will try to bring you along with the updates, and maybe have another video in a couple days, so that way you guys can kind of keep up with what I'm doing. All right.